All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation not going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Well, my brother, my sister, all the Yoruba Nation agitators have now called on President Bola Tinubu to quickly reason and come back to Yoruba Nation. Hey, I know a lot of people will be like, what exactly is going on? Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá Nation ti pe olóyè Bola Tinubu ṣàkíyèsí o wípé ẹ tètè máa bọ̀ ní Yorùbá Nation. Hey, in case you don't understand, that's exactly what I've spoken in English. That the Yoruba Nation agitators right now are of the opinion that it will be better for the president Bola Tinubu to come back to Yoruba Nation, that all hope can never be lost. And what exactly are we talking about? With what is going on right now in the tribunal and the rest of it, that Bola Tinubu did not score 25% of vote in Abuja, and then according to the constitution, it had been gathered that if you are contesting, you must score 25% in Abuja, or else it won't happen. Well, a lot of them are talked about the whole issue, that as far as it is, Peter Obi on his own side never rested on this case. Atiku Abubakar on his own part never rested also. And now a lot of people we know the situation Nigeria is being faced with. A lot of people are now of the opinion that if they want to have a rerun of the election, because with what we are hearing, with what the rumor that have been going on right now, had been stated that they might likely rerun that election. And then as it stands, we already know what is going on. The majority of people, even some set of people who actually voted for Bola Tinubu, have raised some kind of eyebrow that, why is it that this man that we voted for has now changed, has now brought us down and disappointed us because of the hike in petrol and the hardship the Nigerian people are actually facing. Well, if you check the way it has been going, you will understand that even the Yoruba Nation agitators who actually voted for some of the Yoruba Nation agitators, let me put it in that way, who actually voted for Bola Tinubu on their own part, I would say they did not fully support the movement. You understand what that means? They never supported that movement fully. They did not support Bola Tinubu being the president, but they actually fought for Lagos then, that the Igbos must not take over Lagos. That's why you will see majority of them, some of them voted for the Lagos state governor. And right now, with what is going on right now, a lot of people are now like, if peradventure the election will be rerun, that as it is going right now, they are not so sure that Bola Tinubu will win that seat. That's exactly what is going on. And then some of the people have made it clear that the APC government had threatened that if they try to say they want to bring Bola Tinubu down, there will be anarchy in the country. There will be chaos. There will be a lot of trouble, of which majority of people have made it clear that there's nothing will happen, that this is Nigeria, that we have to face it the way it is. Well, my brother, my sister, in a nutshell right now, the Yoruba Nation agitators are out. These people are now like, Baba Tinubu, please, we want you in Yoruba Nation movement. That even from the beginning, we never supported this. But we were just like, okay, just get there first, and then we know that definitely after maybe some years of ruling, definitely you will still come back to us. But with the way things are now going, the Yoruba Nation agitators have now called on President Tinubu that in case of necessity, in fact, just be coming to Yoruba Nation. We want you to be our leader. And if you know you have been following the Yoruba Nation movement, you remember before now that Chief Sunday Igboho talked about the fact that Bola Tinubu is for Yoruba Nation movement, that we don't mind that he should come and become our president in Yoruba Nation, so that we will know that a Yoruba man is not coming to be with us. That this one that you are following, one Nigeria, the people have said it, that one Nigeria can never take us anywhere. Hey, my brother, my sister, it is not funny at all. Well, though majority of people are still like nothing will happen, that Bola Tinubu will rule Nigeria for 8 years, that nobody can remove him. But meanwhile, the good people of Yoruba land who never supported the one Nigeria of 18 and made it clear that before it is too late, Baba, just be coming to Yoruba Nation. We want you in Yoruba Nation. Come and use those ideas you have for Nigeria. Come and put it in Yoruba Nation so that things will be well. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is reaching us right now. Majority of people are of the opinion that Bola Tinubu, as it stands, if definitely they want to do a rerun, that he might not win that election, that he might not get back to that seat. Right now, my brother, my sister, what do you think about this? With the situation to which we have found ourselves in Nigeria, is something that is not actually working, and the people are complaining that why is it that our own, that we call our own, our Yoruba man, is not the one that has put us in these hardships. Though some side of people have been like we should exercise some patience, that with time things will be fine. But meanwhile, with the way things are going, I don't think anybody can again withstand it. Yes, nobody can withstand this whole thing right now, and that's why the people are not like, oh, I think it will be better for the president to come back to Yoruba Nation. That Yoruba Nation is the answer. That Yoruba Nation is the only solution for Yoruba people. That we don't want trouble in the land, and we want things to keep working for us. And right now, a lot of things are actually going on that, even if you yourself, no matter what, except we don't want to tell ourselves the truth, nothing is actually working right now. The people are suffering. The people are suffering. The people are crying. We can no longer buy fuel at the rate of 600. Waiting. That since the history of Nigeria, that this is the only time fuel price has been so high. Even the time Buhari was there, it was not this bad. That's exactly what people are saying. We need to just tell ourselves the truth. We don't need to be patching anything. Yoruba Nation has been the way forward. In fact, is the answer. That's why the Yoruba Nation agitators are not like, we love you, Baba Bola Tinubu. Please just come back to Yoruba Nation and they come and rule us. And there's some set of people are not like, hey, are you sure this man, if he comes to Yoruba Nation itself, are you sure he can make it work? But the truth of the matter is the people are like, we prefer he comes to Yoruba Nation and then make things happen than to be with one Nigeria, because one Nigeria is a scam, according to what the people are actually saying. My brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. On to this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.